Hi friends, welcome to CS Digital Classes. In this video, we are going to understand about law of supply. So what is law of supply? First, understand supply. Supply is providing the material or giving the goods or supplying the goods in our regular understanding. So let us understand from the concept of the book, that is the supply. Supply is different quantities of the product which a seller wants to sell at various prices in a given market at a particular point of time is called as supply of a commodity. That means you have to understand, when the producer is willing to give, then only it is a supply. Maybe sometimes production is there, he is having stock, but he may not be ready to not willing to supply, not willing to give the goods, then it is not said to be supply. So that is the difference. So they say that supply is the different quantities of the product which a seller wants to sell at a price, that is various prices in a given market at a particular point of time, then it is said to be supply. The supplier should be ready to give the certain level of quantity of goods at a given at a price at a given market, then only it is said to be supply. So it is defined as the amount of commodity which a producer is willing to sell at a given price at a particular period of time. When these three conditions, when the producer is not ready to give the material, give the goods, then it is not said to be supply. It is only said to be stock. Then what is law of supply? So law of supply mainly deals with the functional relationship existing between the supply of a commodity and price. So the law discuss about the relation between the supply of the commodity and price of the commodity. So the quantity supplied of a commodity changes directly with the price. That is, with an increase in the price, the quantity supplied also increases, and vice versa. So here the law says, when there is a change in the price, when the price increases, the quantity supplied also increases, and when price decreases, the quantity supply also decreases. So according to the law of supply, with other things remaining constant, the supply of product increases when its price increases and decreases when its price decreases. So the determinants of supply or law of supply. What are the factors which are influencing the supply? Let us see that. Influencing is there will be change due to that determinants. So the amount of a good or commodity supplied depends on several factors. The factors are, the supply function is the functional relationship between supply and its determinants. So again it is saying that the law is trying to see the functional relationship between the supply and the determinants. So it is represented like AN is equal to F of function of R, A, RB, RC to the RF and P and S. So AN says the amount of supply of good and the RA says price of the good A. Then RB and RC says price of the other goods in the market, because there will be change when any commodity, similar commodities, under similar commodities, when any change in the price of the commodity, then automatically it will also influence the other products quantity demanded. Then RF, that is price of the factors of production required for producing the good. Then objectives of the producer. So what are the objectives of the producer is also will be influencing the supply of law of supply. Then state of technology used by the producer for producing the good. This will also one of the determinant of the supply. So here you can see amount supplied the good, then price, price of the other goods, price of the factors of production, because cost of production depends on the factors of production. If there is any change in the prices of the one of the factor of production, definitely it will be influencing the cost of production, hence supply. Then objectives of the producer and the technology. Then price of the goods, as I told you, the price of the goods will be influencing the supply. That is, the supply greater amount of goods when they get higher prices of the product. So the determinant of price, if there is any change in the price, if it is increasing, the supply will also be influencing directly. That means it is directly proportional. When the prices are decreasing, the supply is also decreasing. Then prices of the other goods, the change in the price of the other goods in the market also affects the supply of a commodity. So any change in the similar product, any change in the price of the similar product also influencing the supply of the goods. Then prices of factors of production, as I told you, the prices of the factors, that is factors of production, labor, material, machines, whatever the change taking place, the prices increasing or decreasing, it will definitely influencing the supply. Then objectives of the producer. The firm has number of objectives such as profit maximization, maximization of sales revenue. So this will be also impacting, getting influenced for the supply. Then the amount of commodity supplied depends on the objective of the firm. That means the person may have like objective to supply a certain quantity of goods, not more than the limitations. So this will be influencing the supply of commodity. Then state of technology, the changes and advancements in technology help in decreasing the cost and supply of large amount of goods. So due to technology, cost of production decreases, then automatically it will influence the supply of the goods. So these are the different determinants which influences the supply or law of supply. Hope this video is helpful in understanding about the how determinants are influencing the supply. Then the expected questions can be in the essay or short, like they may ask you define the supply or what is the law of supply, then explain the determinants of supply or law of supply, and also directly they may be asking you the explain law of supply and factors influencing supply. So these are about the expected questions. Hope this video is helpful in understanding about the determinants. Thank you.